Hi everyone, I'm Anakai, and welcome to the English Pod community. Today, we're going to do a shadowing practice together. Shadowing is a fun way to improve your speaking and listening in English. All you have to do is listen to me, repeat after me, and try to match my speed and intonation. In this lesson, we'll practice 30 natural English questions and answers that beginners can use every day. So, stay with me, repeat after me. How's your day? How's your day? It's going really well, thanks. It's going really well, thanks. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. Do you have any plans for today? Do you have any plans for today? Yes, I'm going shopping with my friend. Yes, I'm going shopping with my friend. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the gym. I'm going to the gym. Can I help you? Can I help you? Thanks. I'm trying to carry these bags. Thanks. I'm trying to carry these bags. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pizza. I love pizza. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 years old. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I love listening to music. Yes, I love listening to music. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Yes, I drink coffee every morning. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Yes, I play football. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? I like rice and vegetables. I like rice and vegetables. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling happy. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Yes, I love watching movies. Yes, I love watching movies. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I like winter the most. I like winter the most. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love visiting new places. Yes, I love visiting new places. Where do you usually go on weekends? Where do you usually go on weekends? I usually go to the park. I usually go to the park. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? I like orange juice. I like orange juice. Do you like reading? Do you like reading? Yes, I read every night. Yes, I read every night. How do you get to school? How do you get to school? I usually take the bus. I usually take the bus. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. Yes, I love animals. What's your favorite music? What's your favorite music? I like pop music. I like pop music. Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Yes, I cook sometimes. Yes, I cook sometimes. Great job today. You practiced 30 natural English questions and answers. Keep shadowing every day, repeat after me, and soon your English will sound much more natural. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English Pod community. See you in the next lesson.